Welcome to Buzzard Maths online classes.
We are starting the fourth chapter. Its name is Pair of Straight Line. This is the part 1 and the name of the fourth chapter is Pair of Straight Line. See the first point, combine equation of two lines. Combine equation of two lines. If u stands for a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and v stands for a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then their combined equation, or it is also called as joint equation, is u into v equal to 0. This is the formula. That is, in first bracket a1x plus b1y plus c1 into a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is about the combined equation or joint equation of any two lines. Then next point is homogeneous equation. See the definition here. If the sum of powers of each term is equal, then the equation is known as homogeneous equation. See the definition again. If the sum of powers of each term is equal, then the equation is known as homogeneous equation. That means if there are equal powers of each term, then that equation is known as homogeneous equation. Then here the standard homogeneous equation of x and y with degree 2 is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here there are two variables x and y and degree of this equation is 2. That means here the sum of powers of each term is 2. Here the power of x is 2. Here product is given. If product is given, take the addition of powers. Powers are not given means powers are 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Here also in the third term the power of y is 2. As powers are equal, therefore this is called as first of all homogeneous equation. Here degree of equation is nothing but it is the maximum power of variable appearing in that equation. As the degree is 2, so this equation is called as standard homogeneous equation of x and y with degree 2. Then in your textbook 3 theorems are given for the first exercise 4.1. So we will take one by one theorem. See the first theorem, theorem number 1. The equation u into v equal to 0 represents two lines u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. See the statement of this first theorem. The equation u into v equal to 0, that means here the combined equation is given. Then we have to prove that this combined equation represent two lines, that is u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. See the proof. Let we have to consider two lines here. Let u stands for a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and second line v stands for a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the two lines. Here this first line is considered as u and second line is considered as v. Let p x1 y1 be any point on the line u, then this point satisfies the equation of line u. Therefore, equation of line u becomes, here this px1 y1 satisfies the equation of line u. So here this equation u becomes a1 x1, because x is replaced by x1 and y is replaced by y1, remaining constant as it is. So a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 equal to 0. Here it is the equation number 1. Then take here left hand side of joint equation. Here joint equation is u into v equal to 0. Take here first of all u, that means a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 multiplied by this second equation v as it is, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to, if the right hand side of this equation becomes 0, then we can say that each and every point of line u also satisfies the equation u into v equal to 0. So here from equation number 1, value of this bracket is 0 multiplied by a2x plus b2y plus c2, and we know that 0 into any number is equal to 0. That means here this joint equation u into v is satisfied by the point p x1 y1, and we have considered this point on the line u. Then see the next part. Here this shows that every point of line u satisfies the equation u into v equal to 0. Then consider this second point on the second line. Similarly, every point of line v also satisfy the equation u into v equal to 0. So this is the first portion of this theorem. Then in this theorem we can take its converse also. So conversely, take here u into v equal to 0. Put here values of u and v. value of u is a1x plus b1y plus c1 multiplied by value of v is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then consider the point R x dash y dash lies on this equation. Then it becomes, here in the joint equation, x become x dash and y become y dash. So we have a1 x dash plus b1 y dash plus c1 into a2 x dash plus b2 y dash plus c2 equal to bracket is equal to 0. That means either first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0 or both brackets are 0. Therefore a1 x dash plus b1 y dash plus c1 equal to 0 or a2 x dash plus b2 y dash plus c2 equal to 0. That means this shows that every point of the locus u into v equal to 0 also satisfy both the equation u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. This shows that every point of u into v equal to 0 satisfy the equation u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. Therefore, the combined equation u into v equal to 0 represents two lines u equal to 0 and v equal to 0, and here this is the required result, hence proved. So in this way we can prove this theorem.